So, hi everyone. Today we will discuss about article. This is part 2 and before doing this we have to some homework. You know what? There is discussion of homework. So, start. Okay, so this is your last homework, your study homework. So, let's start. Tick the right sentence article. Take me to the your leader. Your leader. Your is possessive pronoun. So do not use any article before possessive pronoun. So do not use. So this is wrong. Take me to your leader. This is right because there is no article. Obviously it is right. Can I borrow? Are yours? This is the same mistake. Do not use article before possessive pronoun. Can I borrow yours? Right? A house. A house, there is no vowel. House. But, okay, you can write it. But an hour. What is this? H. H is consonant, not a vowel. So why we are using right and we are using an? Because some problems here. You know what? The most common mistake involving articles is using an instead of a. This is mistake occurs because writers believe, because you believe an is used before a vowel sound, only vowel. Okay, and are used before consonant. No, that's not entirely correct. That is not entirely accurate. A is used before a consonant sound, and an is used before vowel sound. Okay, before vowel sound. There is sound of vowel. Speak with me. R. There is sound of R. Because H is silent. Okay. H has no sound. So R. So it is correct. An R. But there is sound of consonant. A house. Ha. Like this. Ha is not a vowel sound. So we are using here a. Next, can you pass me a chair? Do you know about chair? No, I don't know. Any chair you can pass. Okay, this is right. I love an apple pie after dinner. Yeah, of course, apple. Okay, so the sound of vowel is a. So there is an. I need an air. Why it is cut? Why? Because air is a uncountable noun. So do you know? Do you count air? 1 air or 2 air? No, it's a wrong. There is no article. Okay, there is no article. Play me a music. What is this? A music. This is also uncountable noun. And can you count the music? 1 music, 2 music, 3 music? No. It is uncountable. So there is not allowed any article. Give me a hit. Same mistake. So you have to remember noun. Which type of noun is here? Okay. Not only sound. M-O-T. Am. M is vowel sound. Am. So we are using an. M-O-T. L. The letter L is also a vowel sound. L. U. But U is not a vowel sound. So it is right. Okay. The attraction. We can say the attraction of power can be a disease. These consonant sound. Disease, a horrific disease. A horrific disease. Horrific is a consonant sound, so it is right. Okay, now I'll send you the pic of this paper, so solve it very well. Now again start article. You know what? There are two types of articles: definite articles and indefinite articles. Okay, two types, and definite article is the, and indefinite article is a and an. Okay, so first of all we will discuss about definite articles. Why should I care about definite articles? Because there are two commonly discussed issues related to definite articles. First is issue number 1. Issue number 1 is a job title like principal sir, president, judge. So principal sir, like job title. Okay, whatever, but job title. But यहाँ पे किसकी बात हो रही है? Job title. Whenever you write application, so you can write to the principal sir. The principal sir. Why are you using the? Because the, okay, job title is complete. Job title is the principals. Okay, and next capital letter. We have to use capital letter before definite articles. This is compulsory because we write the principal, so we have to write P is capital. We have to write capital letter first. Next issue, some examples. The king was a king among kings. The king was a king among kings. So this king we know about very well. This is a particular king, and these kings we don't know. Next, did you download the Bastille album? Bastille means, why we are using the before this word? Because it means group of album. Okay, to download the Bastille albums, the group. So we have to write the next. Now we will discuss about indefinite articles. So indefinite articles a or an. A and an. It is used before a noun to define it is as something non-specific or general. So start. Indefinite article. It is so easy, and first of all we know. For example, I am a student. I am a student. Why are we using a? Because there is no more knowledge about student, which class and all that. So this is a general student. So I am a student. Pass me a hammer. So write the meaning. What is of hammer? What is hammer? So write the meaning after 12 p.m. in the group. Okay. Pass me a hammer. Any hammer, not a specific hammer. Not point out this hammer. Okay, any hammer. I need a chair. So any chair. No, there is no point out with the finger and all that. Any chair. So we have to use a. This sentence compares the use of indefinite and definite articles. So this is mail. Pass me a hammer. Pass me a hammer. Obviously, any hammer. Correct. But pass me the hammer. So this is incorrect or correct? This is incorrect. No. If I say it is also correct. Why? Why we are using the? Because why we are using the? Because we know the hammer. We know the hammer. Listener know the hammer, and and speaker know the hammer. Just suppose this is a pen and I know this pen and you know this pen. Okay, so now if I say pass me the pen, pass me the pen, so I know this pen, pass me the pen. If I say there is more pen, so if I say pass me a pen, means this one, any, pass me a pen, so any pen. But whenever point out with finger, pass me this pen, pass me the pen, so we are using the, pass me the pen. Specific, so specific hammer, we are using the. I need a chair, obviously correct. I need a chair, any chair. I need the chair. The chair means specific chair. It is also right. I hope you understand very well what is the difference between indefinite and definite articles. Now I'll give you some more example and you have to write tick, or you have to write like this fill-ups. What is the right answer and what is the wrong answer? Okay. Goodbye.